Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the health benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil has been praised for its many health benefits, but is it really all it's cracked up to be? In this video, we'll take a look at the science behind coconut oil and see what it can do for your body. Coconut oil is a rich source of saturated fat, but not all saturated fats are created equal. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, which are a type of fat that is quickly absorbed and used for energy. Medium-chain triglycerides have been shown to boost metabolism, increase energy levels, and help with weight loss. Coconut oil is also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants have been linked to a number of health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease and Alzheimer's disease. In addition to its health benefits, coconut oil is also a versatile cooking oil. It has a high smoke point, making it ideal for frying, sauteing, and baking. Coconut oil also has a pleasant nutty flavor that can add depth to your dishes. While coconut oil has many health benefits, it's important to note that it is high in saturated fat. Saturated fat can raise LDL cholesterol levels, which can increase your risk of heart disease. However, it's important to remember that not all saturated fats are created equal. Medium-chain triglycerides, the type of saturated fat found in coconut oil, have been shown to have a different effect on cholesterol levels than other saturated fats. In fact, some studies have shown that medium-chain triglycerides can actually help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Overall, the evidence suggests that coconut oil is a healthy oil that can be part of a balanced diet. However, if you have high cholesterol, it's important to talk to your doctor before adding coconut oil to your diet. So, there you have it. The health benefits of coconut oil. Whether you're looking for a boost in energy, a way to lose weight, or a healthy cooking oil, coconut oil is a great option. Just be sure to talk to your doctor if you have any concerns about your cholesterol levels. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content.